on, Joey. Come on, Jill. Let's go in the house. Oh, you're so big. The way that you just step up. Come on, Joey.
Jill, look.
Come on, let's go in.
Hi. Luca, back up.
Hold on. Get your. I wish I had her face. Really, Luca?
Hey.
Joey, who is that? Jill, look at Mama. Who is it? Is that Swiper? Can you give Swiper tablets? Give Tubbies. Aww. Say Swiper.
Hey, Swiper. Mama.
What?
Yeah,
Is that Dora's Swiper? Is that Dora's Swiper?
You can tell she's really happy.
Joey, look at Mommy.
Yeah.
She's just staring at it. Who is that?
He's fine.
She's giving him tablets. She's not going to hurt it.